Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the new Dripstone cave biomes in Minecraft 1.17. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm talking about by hopping into spectator mode, alright? And yeah, so I'm going to quickly head down and show you guys what I mean by the new Dripstone caves. Now, as you guys can see over here, so these are the new Dripstone cave biomes. Like they need to be in a really big cave. So these are not exactly a biome. These are just randomly generated over here. And mind you that the generation is still a bit weird because this is not the full release. This is the beta version 20W49A that you will require if you want to get these Dripstone caves. And you cannot just find them in a normal world. You need to have a customized special biome world, which I'm going to show you guys how to get. Do not worry, it does not require any mods whatsoever. Yeah, you can get it in game itself. And so yeah, so these are the Dripstone caves. Mind you, like I said before, you need to have a pretty big space. I mean, a pretty big cave to make them spawn really good. So these are just randomly laid out over here. But you know, when the new and huge massive caves are added, it's going to look a lot more better, and the generation is also going to be a lot more better as well. Alright guys, so now that we are in the main menu, what you're going to do is hit on single player and then go ahead and create a new world. You can name it whatever you want, and for this video I'm going to head in creative, but you can be in whichever game mode you really like. And then what you need to do is click on more world options, and then over here what you need to do is select world type, and then you need to select single biome. Now look at this. So be very careful over here, world type single biome. Then what you need to do is go ahead and click on customize, and then once you click on customize, all right, basically what you need to do is scroll down, scroll a bit more down till you see Dripstone caves. Now as you guys can see, so Dripstone caves is over here, and then now what you're going to do is go ahead and click on done, because in the normal worlds it won't happen, like it won't generate, the Dripstone caves won't generate right now. They're going to be added later maybe, but right now if you want to have the Dripstone caves spawning naturally in your Minecraft world, then you'll need to have this customized single biome, all right, and it has to be the Dripstone caves. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and create this world. All right guys, so the world has finished loading up, and mind you, once you put this Dripstone caves as a single biome, you'll only have the plains biome. That's why it looks similar to the other world that I was in right now, because you only have one biome. Like in the surface you only have one biome, which is the plains biome. So yeah, for endlessness it will only be plains biome. So in case you're planning on doing a survival, like starting a survival world, I would recommend that you just wait for the Minecraft 1.17 update to fully release, or maybe the next snapshot, or whenever the Dripstone caves are added into the normal biomes itself. And now what I'm going to do is head into spectator mode, all right. So as you guys can see, so you'll find them in big caves right over here. So there are amethyst geodes as well. And now as you guys can see, so this is a massive cave opening, and it looks much better over here. It looks much more refined rather than in a small place where they're all just stuffed and kind of not looking that great. But anyway, so this is how you get them. And also the amethyst geodes have been added as well. So as you guys can see over here, so these are the naturally occurring amethyst geodes. I thought I'd throw that in as well. And yeah guys, so this is basically how you get the new Dripstone cave biome in Minecraft 1.17. And if you're looking to grow your channel just like I am, then you would definitely want to consider downloading TubeBuddy. The link is in the description down below. They currently have some offer on the premium plans, but if you'd like, you can also get the you can also download the free version as well. That's totally up to you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Now goodbye.